I'll show you how to free up space on Windows without deleting important files. First, click on the Start button and search for Disk Cleanup. This is Disk Cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup. So this is the disk cleanup window. From here, you can already see that it says you can use disk cleanup to free up to 12.6 gig of disk space. I'm just going to go ahead and clear up space on my C drive. Yours may actually be on a different drive, but you can just select any drive. It's usually C, but in some other case, it may not be C. So you just go ahead and select it. For me, I just have only C here. I'm just going to free up space on my C drive. If you look down here, you will see we have files to delete. So right here, you can choose the files you want to delete. I have downloaded program files checked already. I have temporary internet files checked, and I think I want to delete more. So I'm just going to click on temporary files. I want to delete this. That's about 12 gig. I want to delete recycle bin. Thumbnail is checked already. If you want, you can also check delivery optimization files. Once you're done selecting the files you want to delete, scroll down here and click on clean up system files. As you can see, this cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on C. This may take a few minutes to complete, so let's see how it goes. And then click on OK. And you'll be prompted by Windows to make sure you want to delete this permanently. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. So as you can see, it's cleaning up my C drive already. It's done. That is how you free up space in Windows.